Electric vehicles are the future of driving. But if you own a Tesla, a Hyundai Ioniq 5, a BMW i4, or even a Nissan Leaf, here's a truth you probably already know. Your car insurance is going to be different. EVs come with higher repair costs, expensive batteries, and technology that traditional insurance doesn't always cover. That's why choosing the right car insurance isn't just important. It can save you thousands of dollars a year. Now, we're not going to confuse you with 20 different options. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best car insurance companies for EVs in the USA so you can choose wisely and protect both your car and your wallet. And before we dive in, check the exclusive links in the description below for the best deals on EV insurance. Let's get into it. Let's talk about very important, why EV insurance is different. And why is EV insurance such a big deal? Well, electric vehicles come with unique risks. For one, battery replacement is no joke. Replacing a damaged EV battery can cost anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000. Then you've got specialized parts, advanced sensors for driver assistance, and even charging equipment at home that needs protection. Traditional insurance policies don't always account for these costs, which is why choosing the wrong company could leave you underinsured or paying way more than you should. The best EV insurers now offer perks like charging station coverage, battery protection, and roadside assistance that takes you to the nearest charging station instead of just the nearest gas station. And yes, some even reward you with EV-specific discounts for being eco-friendly. So, let's break down the top 5 companies leading the pack in EV insurance. Progressive is one of the most popular choices for EV owners, and for good reason. They've invested heavily in policies designed for electric cars. Progressive offers discounts specifically for EV drivers, along with coverage for home charging stations and portable chargers. Their roadside assistance program is tailored to EV needs, meaning they'll tow you to the nearest charging station, not just any mechanic. The biggest advantage with Progressive is how affordable their policies are compared to competitors, especially if you bundle with home insurance. But the downside is that rates can still vary widely depending on your state and driving record, so always check multiple quotes. Overall, Progressive balances cost, coverage, and EV-specific benefits really well. And remember, check out the exclusive insurance discount link in the description below. Next up is Lemonade Insurance, which has become really popular among Tesla and newer EV drivers. Lemonade is a fully digital insurance provider, which means you can get quotes, file claims, and manage your policy directly from their app. What makes Lemonade stand out for EVs is their coverage for charging equipment and their fast claims process, which uses AI to settle simple claims in minutes. The pros here are speed, transparency, and often cheaper premiums thanks to their tech-driven approach. The con is that Lemonade isn't available in every state yet, so availability is limited. But if you live in an area where Lemonade operates, it's one of the easiest, most user-friendly EV insurance options out there. Check the description below for exclusive EV insurance offers. Now, if you're someone who wants a reliable, well-established provider, State Farm is a great option. They're the largest auto insurer in the U.S. and have been expanding EV coverage benefits. With State Farm, you can expect solid protection for EV batteries, roadside assistance, and home charging stations. One of the pros is that State Farm's customer service and claims handling are consistently rated as some of the best in the industry. Another benefit is that State Farm offers very competitive bundling discounts if you combine auto with homeowners or renters insurance. The downside is that their EV-specific discounts aren't as generous as Progressive or Lemonade, so your premium might be slightly higher. Still, for peace of mind and long-term stability, State Farm is a top choice. Allstate has been stepping up its EV game recently, and what makes them unique is their focus on battery replacement coverage. Since the battery is the most expensive part of an EV, this is a huge advantage. Allstate also offers strong protection for advanced EV technology like onboard computers and driver assistance systems. One of the major pros with Allstate is the breadth of coverage, which really gives EV owners peace of mind. The con is that Allstate tends to be more expensive compared to others, especially if you don't qualify for discounts. But if protecting your EV battery is your number one priority, Allstate could be worth the higher price tag. Finally, we've got Nationwide. This provider has made a name for itself with low mileage and EV-specific discounts. Since most EV drivers tend to drive fewer miles annually compared to gas-powered cars, you could save a lot here. Nationwide also includes optional coverage for your home charging station and offers roadside assistance tailored to EVs. The pro is that Nationwide's policies are flexible and often cheaper if you bundle with home or renter's insurance. The downside is that their EV coverage isn't as specialized as Allstate or Progressive, so it may not be the best choice if you want advanced protection for your battery or charging equipment. Still, if you want affordable, customizable coverage, Nationwide is a solid option. Back-end index pointing right, don't forget to click the exclusive EV Cars Insurance link in the description. Now, before you rush to pick an insurer, here's a pro tip. Always compare at least 3 quotes side by side. EV insurance premiums don't just depend on your car model. They also factor in your driving habits, where you live, and even how often you charge at home versus at public stations. Some insurers use telematics to track safe driving and reward EV owners with even bigger discounts. That little extra research could save you hundreds or even thousands every year. Another thing to consider is the type of coverage beyond just accidents. EVs are loaded with advanced technology, software updates, sensors, and even autopilot features in some models. Not every insurance company is prepared to cover those repairs properly. Ask if your provider includes protection for onboard computers or if they'll cover the cost of recalibrating sensors after a minor fender bender. Overlooking these details could mean unexpected bills down the line. And finally, don't forget about your charging setup. Whether you use a home wall charger, a portable charging cable, or rely mostly on public charging stations, make sure it's covered. Some companies include protection for home charging equipment at no extra cost, while others require an add-on. Given how essential charging is to your EV lifestyle, having this covered is just as important as insuring the car itself. So there you have it, the top 5 best car insurance companies for EVs in the USA. To recap, Progressive is best overall, Lemonade is perfect for tech-savvy drivers, State Farm is great for long-term reliability, Allstate shines for battery protection, and Nationwide offers strong discounts and flexibility. The bottom line is this: EV insurance is not one-size-fits-all. Your driving habits, your state, and the type of EV you own all impact your rate. But with the right provider, you can save money while getting the protection your electric vehicle deserves. And before you head to your next charging stop, check out the exclusive links in the description below to get the best EV insurance offers available today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more personal finance and car insurance tips, and share this video with another EV driver who needs it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.